kinging it. Rule your own world.
On the Mongol rally! Meow.
Morning. You want to get this one in?
Hi, Mum. Just making some beans.
How did you sleep? All right?
Oh, it's done already. Yeah, not too bad. My Lilo went down halfway through the night though, so got a bit of a sore back today. We showed him my new cooker thing. Craig, do you want to show him it?
I don't think I have one.
Oh, we better get that in.
Wait.
Craig's just cooked some beans on it. It took 30 seconds.
30 seconds?
I literally did. Look at that. Yeah?
Yeah.
That's 40 knicker in any good camping shop, that one. Folds away.
Here comes in that little pot.
And this little bad boy.
Proper chopper.
Probably the best thing I've ever bought, I'm not gonna lie. And this thing, these are lasting for ages. Got another one of them. Should last the whole trip, mate.
We should have got one of them too, really.
We've had eggs. What else we cooked on it this morning? Eggs. We've had our coffee off it.
It's camping luxury.
It's camping luxury.
It is. Well, we have eggs and beans. Over there, they've got like blueberry muffin dessert and like beef goulash.
Have they?
Yes, Craig.
Beef goulash.
They've got. So one of Aiden's friends is like an army person, and they've given him a bunch of like ration stuff. So they've got like sweet and sour chicken, they've got like chicken tikka, all in these little pouches. And last night we had noodles again. We did so. So we have deassembled or deassembled? Is that a word?
I don't think any of them are.
Dismantled our tent. The boys are starting now. Jess, what's the plan for today?
Right, loads.
Where we going?
Afghanistan.
Are we?
No, we're going to the near the border
Yeah, we're driving
of Afghanistan.
the whole way.
And then hopefully end up 300 kilometres away in some hostels for a shower.
So yeah, it's mad. I didn't know that there was hostels on this road, but there is.
No, neither did I.
And apparently there's a brewery owned by just women.
Really?
I can't remember what it's called though.
It's gonna be shit then, isn't it? Wait.
Don't even go there, Craig.
Morning, coach.
This is what's happening.
Take man.
How far do you reckon the boys are gonna go then?
What do you mean?
Take them to the Premier League, is it?
Not in these juicy sandals.
Taking Plymouth to Champions League final.
Plymouth. Craig, how's Nelson Man Coleslaw doing today?
Everyone's still drinking.
He's healing, I think, very slowly.
Gee
He's a
whiz.
mess though.
He is. I just feel like it came because you were ill, weren't you?
Yeah,
And
my
then
body's on shutdown.
It usually happens.
Was like I have one of them? Actually, no, I have 6.
How are you feeling out of 10 today then?
I feel alright today. Yesterday I was a mess. I don't know what was happening.
Yeah, you slept a lot and that's not like you.
It was like the back end of it, I think. Hopefully. But yeah, we'll see when we climb now. Hopefully I'll be spewing.
Oh. I'm sorry, do you speak English?
Pamir?
Pamir? Yes.
Yeah.
It's good? We go to Afghanistan border. So we go this way?
Afghanistan Pamir
Wait, have we gone the wrong way?
Yeah, we went the wrong way.
We went the wrong way, we did. Thanks, babes.
Thank you.
See you soon.
1 kilometre ایست اومده.
Okay, so we've just pulled over on the side of the road. We're convoying with the boys, and every now and again Craig's supposed to look in his little mirror to make sure they're still there. But now they're not. We haven't got a clue where they are. So Craig's taking the drone up, and hopefully he can go and spot them somewhere along the line. Because we've come up all the way here. They could be anywhere. Can you see them?
Not yet.
Not yet. I think if anything they've like popped a tyre and they're changing it maybe. Just said I needed to go for a whittle and Will was like, oh, be careful because there was a landmine sign just over there. Can you see them?
The aircraft's disconnected.
Uh-oh. Will it come home?
I hope so. There's a big eagle up there as well, watch out.
Oh no.
Looking for prey.
Here it comes. See, now Miranda's had her little chop in the shop. She's doing better than everyone, so let's go back for the boys, is it? Wales, Wales! They've made our way to us instead.
What happened?
Ollie down another tyre.
No, we got attacked by a wolf.
Generally got attacked by a wolf.
Did you see the drone?
It was a wolf!
We've made it to 3,252.8 metres. Not feeling too shabby.
So we've just been pulled over. The guy's going to check our passports. He looks a little bit scary, but this isn't a border crossing or anything, so I hope everything's okay.
So we've decided to change our plans to actually drive the Pamir Highway. And a few weeks before we made the decision, 4 cyclists were attacked and killed on the highway. Tensions were a bit high as we were a smaller convoy as well. And because it was a deliberate attack, everybody was a bit more on edge. So these guards were here just to make sure that the people who were travelling through were legit.
So there is villages on the Pamir Highway, and we're in one of their supermarkets right now. Everyone's smiling and saying hello, they're so friendly. Pretty sure we're along the Afghanistan border at the moment, so everyone wants to keep driving, sort of get away from that part. 1, so we can use the drone, and 2, so we can find somewhere safe to camp. Just saying about how bad the petrol was, wasn't it?
What do you mean? Oh, because it was weak.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that was, what did we put in 81 when it was crap? The mechanic said it wasn't good for our power.
81.
So now we're on the quality 92 stuff.
92, so if you're doing the rally, 92.
95 is what you want at home,
Yeah.
but 92 is good over here. 81's not good for the engine apparently.
Let me see you. Yes, bro.
And he had the scarf.
He's got a scarf. Oh, you gotta get the scarf off him.
How do they wear it?
You're like a legit Tajiki guy. Is that what they say?
This is a beach in Tajikistan, and across that river is Afghanistan. I just hit a rock and it's punctured the tyre, so we're going to change the tyre with Afghanistan in the background. That's nice. Luckily the boys have got actual jackets, ours is shite. One tyre down.
I seen it coming as well, and I was like, oh! And I just thought he's gonna go over on accident. I didn't have time to shout, but
That'll do it. You can see the rubber mark on it. I'm really annoyed.
couldn't be helped, Craig.
We've only got 2 tyres and one of them's a donut. So we've popped one of the good ones. It's Mongol rally, innit? So after looking for ages for somewhere to sleep, eventually we found a restaurant and asked the family if we could sleep in there, and they said yes.
They made us a pretty questionable meat dish and gave us homemade hot tea. Exactly what we needed, because the higher we got on the mountain, the colder it got. Don't worry, just eat it. So once again, I'm making Craig take me to the toilet because it's really dark and I'm afraid that there's going to be a man in there that grabs me. So come on, Craig. Is this the way?
I think so.
Why is it not inside the house though?
Sometimes they have them outside, don't they? What's it on? Toilet?
Oh, toilet.
This way.
So watch the
Okay,
wire.
no, guys.
Watch the wire.
We've got 2 guides. We pot for cooking? Or is that the bath?
So my mum used to say she had to go outside for the toilet. I am not doing this in the middle of the night, Craig. Watch your washing line.
It's a little wild, isn't it?
Oh dear God, I can smell it.
Go on.
I can't do it, I can't do it. Oh my nan. Oh. Is this like the village communal toilet, is it?
I think so.
I don't know, I could go in there.
You have to.
No.
Should we have a look? There's a sheet, do you want to pull it back?
Alright. Oh my actual nan, what the hell?
It's a 10-foot pile of shit.
I don't think I can do it. Oh, let's move.
out into the middle of nowhere on the Pamir Highway.
So, out of 10, Craig, how did you sleep?
Well, it wasn't too bad to start off with. Well, we were in the attic, and then about 10 minutes in, there's about 12 spiders crawling all over me. So we moved down to like the living room bit with everybody else, and then about 2 o'clock in the morning, there was just flies everywhere. And they're not just those little flies; they're like those big ass ones that like fly right in the ear. Like,
Yeah. And I mean, like, thanks a bunch, guys, for giving us little mattress things. But they're pretty shit. Like, my back is in pieces right now. It's just like laying on the floor. So it's going to be a tiring one today because it's my turn to drive. I wish it wasn't. And I've got to concentrate really hard because the roads are so bad. We've already popped one tyre. But we're staying in a good place tonight. I think Aiden's like, he won't rest until we get to a hotel. Because my hair's starting to mat on my life. There's nothing in it, no product. It's matting at the back. So we need a good shower. This is new on. It's stinking already. Like if a gust of wind comes, that's you for the day. You're just covered in dust. It's crazy.
so that's all the moaning out of the way. We've actually woken up with the most incredible views of the mountain and the river.
Yeah, like when we walked to the toilet last night, we didn't know what was around. And then you woke up this morning and you're like, holy mother, it looks amazing.
So £2 a night, you can't really complain.
Yeah.
We've got a lot of driving to do today. We gotta get there. We gotta get to Russia soon.
Get to Russia,
because
yeah.
our visa is gonna run out on the 15th of September. What's the date today?
It's like the 25th of August or something, and we still have a long way to go. Mongolia is massive, like, so.
Alright guys, you having a good time on the rally? So we got back on the road to hopefully reach the summit of the mountain and take in the most incredible views we have ever seen.
Ready, go. Sit, sit. Oh, you English?
You English?
You English boy. Go. Yeah. That's it. Lads. Good boy. Sit, sit, sit. Maybe he's not English.
We have made it to Korog, finally.
All right.
There's civilization, there's food, there's Wi-Fi.
There's shopping. I think it's market day, and all the chicks here look mint. So there's some good stuff.
You bloody
I'm not even
pervert.
that hungry. Why are we going in for food? I want to go to the market. Toilets are mad. So me and Will just walked half the country to get to a toilet, and you sort of walk in. It was the worst I've ever seen, but it didn't smell bad. Like, I think it was like mud on the floor instead of, you know. And you sort of go in and you sit down. There's like little dividers, but there's no doors and they're really low, so you can see everyone. And the woman just came in next to me and she just sat down and just sort of just let it all out. I think she started praying then because she was sort of like, I think she's just like, please sweet Jesus, please help me. I think she had a bad belly or something.
Little puppy, look at his little puppy. Oh, he's so cute.
So we've come to Mac Dolands. This is mad, it's like in the middle of nowhere. This is definitely illegal. This is mad. This is like literally on like a 4-story, what looks like people's houses. And it's just here. And then you walk in and then there's this. This is a bit creepy. What's your chips? They taste like McDonald's chips or what?
Who's them?
They're good though.
Yeah, not too bad.
What'd you get, Jeff? It's alright. Big Mac? Yeah. Is it chicken or? I don't know. Oh no, the boys have just realised they are leaking oil big time. Oh, sugar.
It's only the top.
Fuck's sake.
So we took a hit to our fuel tank a few days ago, and every time we fill up it seems to leak out.
Oh.
But it's okay when we're driving, so
Right, okay.
it's a bit touch and go.
You think it'll stop?
If it breaks really badly, it'll just all the fuel
This
come
could
out.
potentially be the start of the end of the rally.
No, don't say that. The types of roads we're on. Well, did you get the hammer and hammer it back in?
Next time on Kinging It.
Jess, you going for a yeah? Where are we going?
None of your damn business.
Rule number 1 on the rally is don't drive at night. So that's what we're gonna do.
We got like picked up basically by one bloke in plain clothes who we think now is secret intelligence, and then 3 like pretty high ranking like Iranian police dudes.
One of them had a very big AK-47.